The Doppler effect. Here's a short explanation by my colleague, Professor I.M. Skeptic. The Doppler effect causes the frequency of sound to shift. The observed frequency can be either higher or lower than the true frequency. The Doppler shift occurs only when there's relative motion between the source of sound and the receiver of the sound, which can be, for example, a person's ears or a microphone. I'll illustrate this with a car that's blowing its horn, with a person standing there. When the car is stationary, blowing its horn, the sound waves travel outward, the same in all directions. So no matter where you stand, you hear the same frequency, which is the correct frequency of the source. There is no Doppler shift. Now consider when the car is moving, the sound waves still travel at the same speed from the source, but the source is moving towards the sound waves that are in front and away from the ones in the back. So a stationary observer will experience a Doppler shift. A person in front of the car hears a higher frequency because the sound waves are closer together as they reach his ear. A person standing in the back hears a lower frequency because those sound waves are more spread out. Now I'll take Mr. Nerdly for a ride. What do you think, Mr. Nerdly?
I think I'm gonna be sick.
In summary, Doppler shift requires relative motion between the source of the sound and the receiver of the sound. Doppler shift leads to higher frequency when the sound source is moving toward the observer. And Doppler shift leads to lower frequency when the sound source is moving away from the observer. Go out and observe Doppler shift for yourself.
Just don't go for a ride with Professor Skeptic.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.
1, 2, 3.